I just run it up.
But I'm so aggravated. But let me introduce myself. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Clarissa. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And yeah, just thank you for attending to how I'm spending my summer. And then I had a dentist appointment because I had a teeth cleaning because your girl is gonna get her teeth fixed, okay? So I want y'all to look at this. Let me lay on the floor. So I'm getting my teeth fixed. Well, fixed, like, you know, better smile, whatever. I'm getting that done. And yeah, I had to get a teeth cleaning so I can schedule the consultation, which I called them today. But I guess they were like busy or closing or whatever. So I'm gonna call them again in the morning to schedule my consultation. But the lady was telling me, I'm thirsty. Ooh. But anyway, the lady was telling me that, okay, let me go overview my teeth, y'all. I know this is a long intro, whatever, but at this point, we're in a video. So, I have a tooth that got extracted right there. That was an infection. It was like an abscess, or whatever, root canal, whatever you want to call it. It was an abscess infection for sure. I had it twice, but I got that pulled, and so there's that gap there. There's a tooth over here that I did lose when I was 13, and it just never grew back. But of course, because of the gap, your teeth shift. And so right here, I have these teeth right here. I ain't never had these teeth. These are baby teeth that never fell out of my mouth. I didn't go to the dentist as a kid at all. My parents just didn't care about that or didn't think it was that important. And we didn't have the money for it. They didn't know how to go about getting it. Neither did they try. That's neither here or there. But we grew up poor. I grew up poor as fuck. So that going to the dentist was like, no, we gotta eat and keep a roof over our head. That's more important. So, and then, like, of course, I work in education, and we just don't make enough money, y'all. So, it's like, I'm just now getting to a place where I can, like, you know, afford to do it. And just, honestly, I'm just at a point where I just want to grow and be better. And this is something that I always been insecure about. So, I get my teeth done. But, so those are baby teeth that never fell out. So, I got fully grown canines in the roof of my mouth. What else? Yeah. So what she was telling me what they might do, this was the doctor. I don't know if she's an actual orthodontist, but she's a doctor there at the dentist. And she had told, I don't know if she's an actual doctor, they call her that. But she had told me something that what the doctor, orthodontist might say at the consultation. And so basically she was saying, of course this might be like an implant or something, you know, whatever. No big deal there. But right here where my baby teeth didn't fall out, she said they may suggest pulling those canines down. Or one doctor before, they said they can keep them up there and they can just put crowns or veneers there. But she said they might pull them down because she don't know if, like, the braces or whatever cause any issues with them staying up there or not. So, yeah, but she was suggesting just like what she think is not set in stone. But she was saying they may pull the canines down, and so I have to wear like brackets right here over those teeth. I don't know why I'm pointing my lip at those baby teeth. And once that's done, the teeth that's next to those teeth are so small. Like, it's just not enough teeth. Like, this one is just so small. That one's not as bad, but that one right there is small. And so, she said they may just put veneers there. And so, she was just saying they just may do that. honestly. I'm willing to go for it. Like, I don't give a damn. I'm gonna be metal mouth for a little bit, but that's okay. That's fine. Cause it's worth it. But we get in there, guys, and then I better have braces. More than likely, with all the shit going on in my mouth, I'll have braces. Cause I don't even think I can get Invisalign with these motherfuckers. Hey guys, we are in, where are we? Florida, Alabama, Orange Beach. My brother wanted to buy some lottery tickets. So we're just chilling till he gets back from buying lottery tickets. We just got back from Tropic Falls. I couldn't really record in there because, yeah, they went out with camera. So, yeah. So y'all really have been seeing very much footage. There ain't been much to see it. But we're going to the beach tomorrow, so I'll be getting a lot of footage from there. So yay! I did record a little bit on my phone at Tropic Falls, which is a really nice water park / theme park. So yeah. So I think he's about to go get the lottery tickets, and then we may find something to eat because I am getting a little hungry. So yeah, I'm so happy because I was really worried about not being able to take a summer trip, and this is my summer trip, so yay. And so after this, I want to go to Colorado.
Continue to follow the road.
So I want to start playing. I'm sorry, my nephew, he done fell asleep in the back. He fell asleep watching his cartoons. So sound like SpongeBob. But yeah, I'm getting hungry. Yeah, we're just chilling for now.
They working on it.
Cool. Working on what? Oh, yeah. What's my response? Okay. Hey, Bryson.
all by myself carrying it over here.